How to put ask me a question in Instagram story. In today's video guys, I will show you step by step on how to put ask me a question on your Instagram story. So first of all, after you open up your Instagram like this, now swipe to right to open your camera section. So after you open your camera section like this, make sure in this section it is you select story. So tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this text section, this one, tap on this text section, this AA. So after you tap on this, as you can see now it changed the background. If you want to change the background, you can be able to tap on this, as you can see now, this little icon at the bottom right to change the background like this. So after you choose your desired background, so all you have to do now, you can go ahead now and tap on this section, as you can see. Now tap on this emoji icon at the middle, this emoji icon, tap on it. So now, as you can see now, go ahead and type in question in this section, search for question. After you search for question, as you can see now, here is the question button, tap on it. So after you select the question button like this, as you can see now you can go ahead and type in, as you can see now, like something like ask me a question, or you can type like your profession, like ask me my salary, let's say. So as you can see now, you can just go ahead and type what you want people to ask you. So after you finish, just tap on this done button at the top right side. So as you can see now, you can go ahead now and tap on this, as you can see now, the little arrow. So as you can see now, you can go ahead and choose the people that you want to share with them. It is public or some people like your close friends. So tap on this public and tap on this share button. So tap on this done button. So now if I tap on, as you can see now, here is the story. So if I tap on my story like this now, so as you can see now, here is ask me question. Now people can be able to tap on this section and type their question like what is your, what about. So as you can see now, if people just type their question in this session, they can be able to tap on this send button. So now they sent me a question. Now I can be able to see the question and answer their question for. That's it guys on how to add ask me a question on Instagram story. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.